Okay, we're doing section 12.4a, problem number 23. Segments are drawn on a map connecting three newly planned cities, A, B, and C. On the map, AB equals 4.2 centimeters. BC equals 10.1 centimeters. And AC equals 12.2 centimeters. If in reality, the straight line distance from A to B is 512 miles, how far is it from B to C and from A to C? Okay, and we'll just set up a proportion to do this. When you set up your proportion, make sure that you're consistent in how you set it up. So if you're doing the map in the numerator and the corresponding actual length in the denominator, then on the other side of the proportion, you again would need to use the map in the numerator.
Dr. Knapp, what keyword made you think or made you know to use to do that? Like,
because the maps are drawn to scale, and so you'll usually see like a key that says 1 centimeter is 100 miles or something
Okay.
like that. And so then throughout the whole map, that same scale is used. So,
okay,
so you can assume that it's proportional.
thank you so much.
It's like a 1 to 100 scale or whatever. In this case, it's a 4.2 to 512 scale. And so you can assume that that same scale will be used throughout the same map. So let's solve this first proportion. 10.1 times 512 divided by 4.2. Can anybody give me that?
1,231.24.
No, we're gonna mess it up.
That would be BC, correct?
Yes, yes.
All right, and we'll just round to the nearest whole number. We'll say that that is corresponding to 1,231 miles. Okay, and now if you're watching the recording, I want you to pause the recording right now and see if you can set up the next proportion. And then turn the recording back on and see if you got it right. Okay. Last thing I need to find is AC, the segment AC, but we're still going to use the proportion that we're given, or the ratio that we're given. One word, rate that we're given, 4.2 centimeters to 512 miles is what we were given to begin with. And now we say that it's equal to the 12.2 centimeters
What?
for AC, and we'll call it Y for the actual distance that corresponds to the 12.2 centimeter. So can anybody take 12.2 times 112 divided by 4.2 to get me that in mind? Round it to the nearest whole number, please.
1,487.
1,000, that's right, 1,000.
What? You need one?
Kelly, can you mute?
I'm so sorry.
Thanks.
And that would be this distance here from A to C. B to C, we called X A to C. Okay, what other questions did you have about that?